that concludes our introductory profit on ad spend course here at Reaction. Hopefully you've found some value in the course and that you've enjoyed each of the different segments and videos. Ideally, you've learned something new, whether it's something as simple as what exactly profit on ad spend is and how it's calculated, or why it's so essential in 2025, how it differs from ROAS, or why profit on ad spend after returns and refunds is such an important metric to look at. I would like to think as well that some of the case studies that we've shown you have inspired you to also utilize Reaction and profit on ad spend to be the next Reaction success story. Ideally, you're also not sick of me just yet, because we have plenty more videos coming in the future, and we also have the videos contained in the slide which explain how exactly you can optimize for profit on ad spend within your platform. So I definitely recommend checking them out. If you have any questions about profit on ad spend or Reaction in general, please reach out to support@reaction.com. And up until then, or up until the next video that you watch, we'll see each other soon.